Hi, in this presentation we will see how to create a simple scenario, model traffic, simulate and analyze performance metrics in NetSim. For that, we first navigate to the simulation menu in the menu bar and select New Internetworks. In that, the user can choose the environment, either a map view or a grid view. In this case, we select the grid option and the simulation environment opens out. The Internetwork palette on the top has various devices like switches, routers, wired nodes, wireless nodes, access points, etc. along with other navigation buttons. Creating a simple LAN network is very simple. All you need to do is click and drop a switch and a few wired nodes into the environment. Once that is done, select the wired link and connect the devices as shown. Now that this is done, next we add WAN connectivity with a router. Just click and drop a router and use a wired link to connect it with the switch. Further, add an AP and wireless nodes for wireless LAN functionality. For that, click and drop the AP and wireless nodes and then select the wireless link and connect the AP and the wireless nodes. Use a wired link to connect the LAN and wireless LAN networks, the router and the access point. With a few simple steps, a network scenario has now been created. Next, we need to model the applications running on the nodes, or in other words, the traffic on the network. For that, right-click on the device and select Properties. As you can see, node is modeled per the 5-layer TCP/IP stack and has 5 layers. In the application layer, users can select the transmission type as either point-to-point or broadcast. Then the user can choose from kinds of traffic models available like FTP, database, voice, video, custom. For our example, we select FTP traffic. Note that users can further modify the FTP traffic model if required. In the transport layer, users can select between TCP or UDP protocol. And in the network layer, we can set the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and ARP properties. Similarly, various properties are available in the data link and in the file layer. Now we have created and configured the scenario, and next we will simulate it. For that, we have clicked the simulation button, and before the simulation is run, simulation time is set. An experiment name and comments have been added. Users can change the seed value for the random number generator if required. Then click the OK button, and a command line like window will open and display various messages indicating the simulation progress, and this continues till the simulation is complete. After the simulation is over, NetSim reports various performance metrics like network metrics, application metrics, link metrics, TCP metrics, WLAN metrics, and much more. Hope you enjoyed the small presentation.